art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mr. Tree from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to come in towards the top, drawing in a nice big oval. So in the middle, we're just going to curve this line around and then down on the left. And then starting back in the middle, we're going to bring this line around and then down on the right. Let's come underneath now on the left-hand side, bringing this line all the way around and then in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right as we move all the way around and then in on the bottom. For the tree in the middle now, we're going to curve this line down and then out towards the bottom. And then moving over on the right, we're going to replicate that. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a straight line from left to right. For the face in the middle, for our eye on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we're going to move across on the right, just replicating that, drawing that at the same size. For the mouth in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with an arch line, bringing that back up. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over and around on the left. Let's come in one more time on the bottom, curving this line across. And then we'll do the same thing as we come across on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Mr. Tree from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.